The next category is the real estate investment. This is regarding to 1 to 4 unit portfolio loans, mixed use, multifamily, so on and so forth. How to qualify DSCR loan? So let's define what DSCR, debt service coverage ratio. So please remember this acronym. Please understand what this means, right? Debt service coverage ratio. So basically means that can the can the income of the building of the property covers the debt of that loan. So give you an example. Let's say you have a rental property that you are generating $1,500 a month. So that $1,500 is your income. Now, what will this $1,500 cover? It covers what? It covers your tax, property tax. It covers your insurance, property insurance, right? It covers your what? Mortgage. Okay. So those are the three main big items that this $1,500 need to cover. Now, of course, you will have repair, maintenance, things like this. But that type of expense normally the lender would neglect because it's not an occurring expenses. So as long as the $1,500 can cover these three items right here, mortgage, property tax, and property insurance, then this property it can be debt service. That's what we mean. What are we looking for? What does the lender look for? The lender normally look for a DSCR of what? One. Okay, DSCR of one, meaning that your income and your expense, your income divided by your expense equals to one, meaning that you don't lose money, you don't make money, the debt, the income covers the debt. The income service the debt. Okay, so that's what it means. So how to qualify for DSCR loan? So we need to look into what your property tax, your property insurance, and your personal I'm not sorry, not personal income, the property rental income. Right, those are the three main number that we look at, and of course, we also need to look at the credit score. Credit score need to be what? When you do a DSCR loan, we want to see your credit score minimum at 660. Oftentimes we look at that scenario come in and we see the credit score is like 600, 605, 610. Most likely you're not going to get a DSCR loan. Okay. So those are the four numbers. And what is the last number? The value of the property. The S is value of the property. Okay. So those are the five numbers that we look at to calculate the DSCR and hence can tell you what that if that property can qualify for a DSCR loan. So that's DSCR.